We're on the record in two cases. Our first case is cause number 315-228, and the second case is 324-534. Both cases are styled the state of Texas versus Keenan Simpson. Mr. Simpson, as a defendant in a criminal, well, first of all, Mr. Simpson, would you please raise your right hand? Okay, Mr. Simpson, do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God? Okay, I didn't hear. Okay, you was on mute. Mr. Simpson, do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to help you God?
Yes.
Okay, Mr. Simpson, you may put your hand down. How you doing, Mr. Simpson?
Great.
Okay, Mr. Simpson, we have two cases here. In these two cases, which are cause number 315-228 and cause number 324-534, the first case, cause number 315-228, you're charged with the Class A misdemeanor offense of resisting arrest, detention, and in the second case, you're charged with the Class B misdemeanor of criminal trespass. Now, as a defendant in a criminal case, you have three options. Number one, you may hire an attorney. Do you understand that option?
Yes.
And number two, if you do not have enough money to hire an attorney, you may request an attorney be appointed to represent you. Do you understand that option?
Yes.
And number three, you may represent yourself. Do you understand that option?
Yes.
If you want an attorney to represent you and have enough money to hire an attorney, the case will be reset to give you time to do so. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you want an attorney and do not have the money to hire one, you will need to fill out a financial questionnaire so that the proper person can determine whether or not to appoint an attorney to represent you. Do you understand?
Yes.
You may not speak to the prosecutor about your case unless you sign a written waiver of your right to be represented by an attorney. Do you understand?
Yes.
Be aware that there are dangers to self-representation. Waiving your right to an attorney and representing yourself may result in a worse outcome for you and your case, including the loss of significant legal rights and opportunities relating to military service, possession of a firearm, housing and public benefits, child custody, immigration status for non-citizens, and employment. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you choose to proceed without an attorney, you may change your mind at any time and may request counsel from the court. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, you have, as I said, one of three choices. If you want to reset this case to hire an attorney, your case will be reset. Or if you have hired an attorney, you can tell the court the name of your attorney and your case will be reset, and the attorney will be given a reset notice of your resetting. Or if you want to apply for court-appointed counsel, you would have to fill out a financial questionnaire. Or if you have a court-appointed counsel that has already been appointed, you can tell the court the name of that attorney, and then we will contact that attorney and give your attorney a reset date. Or if you want to waive your right to an attorney and represent yourself, you can inform the court that that is what you want to do. Now, Mr. Simpson, what is your choice?
Yes.
I didn't hear you.
Yes.
What is your choice? Do you want to hire an attorney? Do you want to qualify for court-appointed attorney, or do you want to represent yourself?
Represent myself.
Okay. All right. Now there is a questionnaire that, well, not it's what we call it a waiver. On the paper, it's on the misdemeanor plea admonishment on page 2 in that document, and I'll just read it to you. It says, I have been advised this day by the court of my right to representation by counsel in the case pending against me. I have been advised and understand that if I am determined to be indigent, counsel will be appointed to me free of charge. Understanding my right to have counsel appointed for me free of charge, if I am found to be indigent, I wish to waive that right and request the court to proceed with my case without an attorney being appointed for me. I specifically waive my right to be represented by an attorney, to consult with an attorney before I give up these enumerated rights It is my decision to represent myself. I do so knowing the dangers and disadvantages of self-representation. I further elect not to request appointment of counsel. And is that your request? I couldn't hear, it's on mute.
Yes.
All right. Okay, now, you'll sign that document and then you'll have an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor in private and I'll be, uh,